This is a 1965 Impala Caprice Bel Air AM radio. Cosmetics are decent. Got a few little pits along that chrome edge there. Dial moves fine. Button sets work fine. As far as functionality, I can barely get it to play on one channel. Well, I had it playing before. Now it's just got a squeal. I'll try it again here. Got a little bit of sound there. There's a little bit there. It plays a little bit, but if you turn it up high, it goes to that squeal. So I might have a low voltage in the battery, but whatever. Cosmetics are good. The case is clean. Anyway, you need to rebuild or readjust it or whatever it's going to take.